Many of you are probably familiar with the dusting spray called Pledge, and this is something that I've used in the past for years, but they just lost a customer because I've discovered a DIY solution that you can make for about 25 cents that works even better and repels dust for over a month. So let's get started. Now, a can of Pledge in my area costs about $10 or $11. And I don't know about you, but there's other things I would rather put $10 or $11 towards rather than using it for dealing with dust in my house. This simple solution is made up of things you probably already have in your kitchen. It's very, very easy to mix up. And I find that when I use it, I can go for much longer between dustings. And when I do dust again, there's far less of it to deal with. So we're using an empty glass bottle, and I love these ones from Amazon, and I probably have a half a dozen of them to mix all sorts of cleaners. Now we'll just pop a funnel in there to add our ingredients, and we're going to put in 1 cup of water. Then we'll add about 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a teaspoon or so of oil, and I'm using olive because that's what I have, but you can use any kind of oil you like. A couple drops of dish soap, and lastly, 10 to 12 drops of essential oil. And I'm using rosemary and eucalyptus for this for a nice fresh scent, but orange or lemon is lovely as well. And now you have a 25-cent naturally based dusting spray that works better than the commercial stuff. Dusting is one of those tasks that few of us enjoy doing, but it's also one that never seems to go away. So anything that keeps surfaces cleaner longer gets a big yes from me. And of course, this is very simple to use. You just spray it onto a microfiber cloth and work your way around the dusty areas of your home. And it works on any surface. You can do countertops, you can do baseboards, furniture, whatever you please, because the solution is very gentle and it leaves everything smelling fresh and looking clean and shiny. Now, all the ingredients serve a special function in how this solution works. The oil helps repel dust and the vinegar helps get rid of dust mites. It also helps achieve a streak-free shine. The dish soap gives a boost to the overall cleaning power, and the essential oils, of course, just leave a nice light scent and helps make your cleaning a little bit more enjoyable. And who doesn't want more of that? Now, because I have a passion for helping you make your home and your life better, whenever I come across a great little household tip like this one, I am so excited to share it with you. So hopefully this little household tip will help you in conquering those little dust bunnies that you have in your home. Take care, everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one.